Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let be the one to guide us. Choose another new song. Christmas be always in our home. Magsabi na tayo, meron na tayong tinapay at keso. Sila noche